Ralph here once again, and many of you are running into this common error when going to the Johns Hopkins University site and trying to download or install the COVID-19's Panda data. The problem that many of you are running into is this user problem. So let's look at it for example. All right, here we go. Could not install packages due to an environment error. You go pip install COVID-19 pandas and does no go. So there's a big hint here. You see this right here? Dash dash user, and that's where your answer is. So to fix it, go pip install dash dash user COVID-19 pandas. The data will load beautifully from Johns Hopkins, and then voila, as it runs, your header should pop up here, and there you are. Again, easy fix, pip install dash dash user COVID-19 pandas. Ralph signing off. Hope you enjoy. Catch you in a bit. Bye.